brown sign saying?
Probably saying you're leaving.
National
Forest.
Forest Interpretive Site.
Interpretive site.
Interpretive site.
You want to... Oh, right there, the little thing.
Black Hills Forest.
Yeah, but I think that's just, that's up there, but I think that's probably closed at this time.
Yeah.
Basically,
Sure it is.
only thing open at this time is Mount Rush.
Norbeck
Because they do
Wildlife
that at
Reserve.
night.
Yeah.
Sure.
Wrinkled Rock Climbing Area.
Climbing area. Oh.
You
So
can
you
climb.
Yeah.
We are on the backside of something.
It's kind of cool.
Well, I know we were never down here any other time.
What's that? Breezy Point Picnic
area.
They had a picnic.
Breezy.
These people are
Must be
probably
pretty
pissed. It's like
windy
a
up
40 mile an hour and I'm doing 28.
That's all right.
I'm
can't
enjoying
see
the view. Trying not to kill my family in the process.
Taking a video.
Oh, you should have told me to show.
She's taking her video of the jungle at night.
Jungle at night.
This is.
Wow, Frank.
Someone didn't make it.
Yeah, again.
But we don't want to join.
I think there's another one right there.
Yeah.
That's on the side.
I bet you they pulled out.